Hello, hi, and welcome to Maxafter, another exciting product tutorial. In this tutorial, it's a general tutorial actually, and it's about how to install the Vizmax extension. So this Vizmax extension tutorial is going to work for all my products or templates that has the facility of Vizmax. So let's start the tutorial. If you go and first type ZXP installer, and you can choose any of it. I'll go to AE scripts, and here scroll down and I'll download for Windows. So it's downloading. Right, so it's downloaded, and let me show you where it is. If you can't see it, that's the file. I'm gonna double click it to run it. So now it's running, and I agree and install. Say yes, and now it's installing. Installation is complete. So once it is installed, is for current user, all users. Extension will be installed for all users. Close, yeah. And now we got AE here, so all these options. So now what we're going to do is go to File, Open, and we'll go to locate the downloaded folder AE, and this is the extension folder. I'm going to open this. So once you open it, it will ask you to select this and press install. So now it's installing. That's it. Installing Vizmax. Resuming. Vizmax was successfully installed. Press OK. So everything is done now. When you open AE, what you need to do is just go to Windows and Extension. You will see that the Vizmax Asset Viewer will show up if you have installed it properly. And this is the menu. The procedure is similar for all of them. All you need to do is go to Browse, and for example, in this case, if you see, download folder looks like this, right? So I've also already shown you how the extension is installed, and now you go to Preview. Every download folder will have this preview. If you download any of my products, for example Cyberpunk 700, HUD 700, or 3D UI, any of my product that has the facility of extension, it will have a folder called Preview. So go to Preview, and in there there'll be a file called Preview. Select it and open. Simple. And now you see that it will start straight away, start playing here. Right. Now, for example, if you like this, it has got the whole library. You can just quickly go through and select the one that you like. You can increase the size and make it bigger to look at it properly. So you can see everything is playing, smooth and fast. System screens, for example, pretty straightforward. For example, we want to, import this into our project. What we'll do is just simply select it and add to project. So once you add it, the program will hold for a second because it's a huge project. Let it settle down, once, because the first time is it takes a few seconds to load up the whole project. So once now it's loaded, press OK, and now the whole project is here. You can also run this project without the extension, if you like. For that you need to go to the download folder and just click this source file. That's it. Now it has downloaded the whole project, right? Now you go, and what you're going to do is create composition, new composition, for example 1920 by 1080. Select the composition, and now you need to press again, after selecting this comp, press add. Right, so this is the whole project. This element here, system screen, you have successfully imported system screen into your After Effects. And also similarly you can import all other screens or special gadgets if you like. For example, I've got this gadget here and I want to import that. While this is selected, I'm going to do add and project. This is selected, and here you can see it's already here. You can run and play it. Pretty straightforward, and then you can play around with the gadgets, move around, put it here somewhere, and then select something else. For example, so got panel controls. For example, if you add this one as well, the panels are here. Press S, you can put it here somewhere, and if you press S on your keyboard and make this bigger, and similarly you can put something else in here. For example, you have got graphs as well. If you go to G, I'm doing a quick thing here to show you how it works. And then if it's pixelated, you can turn on the collapse transformation and the pixelation will go away. Press R, and you can also, for example, make it 180, and then you can also duplicate it, press R and make it 0, something like that, So now you've got here a beautiful, looking gadget. Press S and make it smaller. So this is a quick example. So this is how quickly you can use this extension. Very powerful extension. It has got all the elements in one place that you can view it quickly, and then you can add to your project depending on your creativity, because all these projects that you see here, for example this screen here or this screen, let me just show you. For example, this screen or this screen, add to project. For example, if I turn off these panels, this whole thing I've created with the help of these elements. All these elements, I just put them together creatively. That's it. So you can use your imagination and creativity to put the right element at the right place to make your own HUD or your own elements. So I did the same. All these elements, I used these small elements and put them at the right place to create all these. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, my name is Shoaib Khan, and if you still have any questions, please do email me so that I can answer your questions. Thank you and goodbye.